Okay, you YouTubers, this is Pyro Dog. I'm going to show a short video on how I'm assembling some mortar racks. Okay, as you can see here, I've got everything pre-cut. This design is from Joe Robinson off of YouTube. You probably have seen him as well. Good design. Okay, I've made a few changes on his design for myself. What I've done is, see if I can show you this. Take this bottom board out of the way. Okay, 2 foot 1x3, and normally the side pieces would be a foot 1x3, but I changed those to 11 3/4 so that I could get more use out of an 8-foot board. By doing that, I can make 2 of these out of one board. So I have a 2-foot bottom piece, 1x3, and then a 11 3/4 side pieces. And then of course your 2 bottom pieces, which are 27 inches long, just like so. Okay, and the other change that I'm making is, as you can see over here, I've got it kind of just thrown together so you can see the top pieces. I'm cutting at 28.5 inches and putting some little 45-degree angles on them, like so. So when it's done, it'll look like that. So anyway, that's the way that I've started building them. It's pretty easy to do. I can show you real quick how I set this up. When I cut the 1x4 pieces, 28.5 inches long, I'll set them up in my saw. I've got a stop already made there for my angle, and I'll just cut my 45-degree, flip the board over, cut the other side 45-degree, and you end up with this. And the same thing with the with these smaller pieces, 45-degree. Do the same thing with those. Just got to be careful because these are short and you get your hand in the saw. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I've got 8 that I've already built. I've got material enough to make 8 more. I've purchased some mortar tubes from Pyro, 200 in fact, and so I'm going to build racks enough for all 200. I also have in the works a Roman candle rack that I built. Come up with an idea after seeing some online, and I ended up taking a piece of pegboard, I don't know if you can see that, and just taking a hose saw and cutting the holes in it. 120 Roman candles will go in that bad boy, and which 10 shots per candle, that's 1,200 shots. I'm going to quick fuse it, see how that works. But if you look at the way that I've built this, it's fanned both directions. And as you can see there, how they're put in there, but it's fanned this direction as well as this direction. So hopefully that'll turn out pretty cool. Kind of heavy, kind of bulky, but still kind of cool. So I've had 120 Roman candles in it, and when it's all said and done, it looks pretty neat. So that's the other thing that I've got in the works. And in here, I have my mortar tubes that I'm getting ready to clean up so that I can put those in my newly built racks, which I have 5 more racks that I have put together here. Each individual single rack's not attached yet. Can make 10, 20s, or 30-shot racks, whatever. More mortar tubes. pyrotalk.com, Dave, pretty sure you probably all have heard of him. I've gotten this idea from him on the tape. I've got some tape that I'm kind of looking forward to using. And last but not least, I've got a red, white, and blue 30-shot fan rack that I put together with the design that I've come up with off of that. Kind of neat. I don't know if you can see that, but if anybody's interested in how I done that, just give me a post and I can go into detail how I done that. Only thing it's holding together is the two end plates. I've got one on that side and one that I haven't painted yet on that side, and it's actually pretty sturdy. 2 inches between each rack. This rack is the same height, so it all turned out pretty good. So anyway, that's what I've got going on. I'm going to be building a bunch more. It's just last part of October, so I've got plenty of time. So as I build more, I will post, show you what I've got going on. I hope to put on a pretty good show next year. I'm purchasing a Cobra system, so it's all new. And that's it for now.